I'm here in an alabaster workshop in Volterra. And in fact, the working of alabaster is a tradition that's gone on for thousands of years. But today, my dear friend Franco, who's only been working alabaster for 63 years, is going to walk us through the process of how to produce a stone masterpiece. Alabaster is not as famous as its cousin, which of course is the white marble. It's just as prestigious. In fact, the big chemical difference between the two stones is that marble is calcium carbonate, whereas alabaster is hydrated calcium sulfate. That makes it much softer. And so the process of working is actually more close to woodworking than it is to stone cutting. And there are 4 types of alabaster, the most rare and precious of which is the transparent type that you see right here. Next to it, we have the gray opaque alabaster. Then we have the white opaque alabaster, and then that sort of amber color that you see right here. Although they are different in color and in transparency, they are all worked the same way. And the interesting thing is that the working of alabaster does not begin with sketches and small models as we might find in marble, but instead we can go right to the stone itself because it is softer and thereby is more malleable and essentially allows the artist to produce spontaneously as he's turning his wheel and carving into the stone. The alabaster shows up to the workshop in something that looks like a large egg, or why not, a big white truffle. Then it's cut down to a cylinder like Franco has there in his hand. And the first step is attaching it to the wheel. The next step involves using any of these tools that you see to actually begin the carving of the stone. And the final step in the production of the vase is the application of a Vaseline oil for polish and for shine. And voila, the finished product. And the amazing thing is that Franco is keeping a 3,000-year-old tradition alive. If you visit the Archaeological Museum here in Volterra, you will see cinerary urns made of the same stone that Franco is holding right now and made using the same techniques. So Franco, grazie for the alabaster carving lesson for today. And folks, remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of the great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly. Ciao Franco, grazie.
Ciao.